Assalamu alaikum. Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIABS Home School. Today I am going to conduct an ICT class for the student of class 9. Dear students, today's topic is Chapter-1 M.C.Q CW. Okay, lecture number 4. Dear students, now come to the topic. This is Chapter-1 M.C.Q 1 to 15. Okay, I hope you have gone through the text, gone through the Chapter-1. Okay, and now number 1. In which year London Science Museum successful, possibly here will be successfully, in making the engine capable of calculating mechanically, it will be that means 1991. Here option 1833, 1842, 1953, 1991. The answer will be 1991. Number 2. Which scientist made it possible to do office from home? Here Charles Babbage, Ada Lovelace, James Clerk Maxwell and Jagadish Chandra Bosu. The option will be number 3, James Clerk Maxwell. Now number 3, who is the inventor of Facebook? It is very common, okay, because we are very familiar with Facebook. We know here Facebook options are Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg and Tim Berners-Lee. Here you know option number 3, Mark Zuckerberg. And number 4, how many types of impact are noticed in ICT? Okay, options 2, 3, 4, 5. Here answer 2. Okay, now question number 5. The message of how many words? Dash words is called the tweet. Here that means the 140 words is called the tweet. Options 120, 190 or 240. Option will be 140. Number 6, we will celebrate Golden Jubilee. You know Golden Jubilee means here 50 years. Okay, if you count from 1971, then 50 years, 1971 plus 50 is equal to 2021. Okay. Number 3, e-learning is the short version of electric learning and electronic. Here will be electronic. Answer electronic learning. Number 8, Ada's father was a famous poet, not doctor, programmer, engineer. That means he is a poet. He was a poet. Number 9, Golden Jubilee here means 50 years. 12, 25, 60. Okay, correct answer 3, 50 years. Number 10, who is the owner of Microsoft company, another renowned company in the world? Here Bill Gates, Steve Jobs. Here answer we have got Bill Gates. Now 11 number, in May 2014, how many people used Facebook? That at that time, that means the number of user was very less, but at that time it was 119 crore. Okay. Now 12 number, the application of digital method in government administration is, it is e-governance, e-service, e-permit, e-ticket. This is will be e-governance. Number, next page, number 13, Steve Jobs was died in 2011, not 1955, 2010, 2012. It is answer will be option number 3, 2011. Number 14, from below, who is Bengali scientist? Steve Jobs, you know, it is not. Jagadish Chandra Bosu. This is from, he is from Bangladesh. And last number, the technology in which the local doctor can get advice of a specialist doctor is the technology. That means this technology is familiar now. Okay, particularly in this pandemic time, it is telemedicine, e-permit, e-ticket or MTS. This will be telemedicine. Okay, my dear students, this is all for today. Keep practicing at your home. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.